Okay, we're going to the farm to get our last pickup of the year. Right, Eric? Okay. Thought we'd show you what we get this week in our farm pickup. Whose boots do you have on?
What's this to the Daddy?
Okay, let's show you what we got in our farm pickup. The lighting is like less than ideal right now. It's later in the day. It started to snow. It's been raining all day. Anyways, as you saw, we've got a little something extra. We got some bread. It smells so good. A country bread sourdough. I think one of the things I'm gonna do next year is really get into making my sourdough regularly, because Matthew really likes it, the kids like it, they like it with soup, I'm in on soup, and I really have fun making it. So I think that's something I'm gonna try to for 2026, is like get into maybe even a weekly loaf. Who knows, who knows? But yeah, we like our sourdough. It's really nice that they actually have sourdough there. It's hard to, like, we don't have a bakery out where we are. So this is really the spot to go and get your fresh sourdough, which is really nice that it's so convenient for us. I'll show you what we got in our farm pickup. Okay, I forget what sprouts these are, like dandelion sprouts, or I'm not sure. We got 2 things of sprouts. So those will be good to add to like salads and whatnot over the holidays. This is the last box of our winter. Wait, is this one fall? This is a fall box. Fall 2025 box, and we got a large version of it. When we do the January, the winter one, we've decided to just do a medium size. I think that'll be better for us. Anyways, got some sweet potatoes. We got 2 things. We have so many carrots. We have 2 things of carrots. I love carrots last a long time, and I actually use carrots pretty regularly. I make cheesy sauces with carrots and potato for pasta or like a nacho sauce. So it's really nice to have that. We have, I think it's 2 daikon. I have a few still in the fridge of daikon, so I've gotta get into it. Is this radicchio? Is that what it's called? Anyways, I got one of these. We got, oh, did it fall out? I had 2 cloves of garlic. Anyways, I've got 2 cabbages, purple and green. Ooh, and I've got a garlic, and I think I had 2, but it might be in the car. It might have fallen out in the car. So that is our pickup. Pretty good for like winter. It is December. What day is it today? It's actually the 19th of December. It's our last pickup, and this is all fresh from the farm. Like, look at this produce. They've got greenhouses all year round. So love that, appreciate that so much. So we can just get our fresh produce right there. It's lovely. And then our fresh bread. But feel good about that. Love it. We can get it fresh right there. I think that's it. So I'm gonna put this away. And let me know if you like seeing what we get from our farm pickup. I'll continue doing it next year if you're interested. You can see what's being grown right here in Outaouais, Quebec region. Like, so good. Cabbage. cabbage. I love cabbage. Love carrots. Sweet potatoes. This is good times. Now I just gotta think what I'm gonna do with it all. How am I gonna use it? The carrots are gonna last for a bit, so that is nice. Actually, cabbage lasts for a while. I think I probably have to eat this pretty quickly and the greens. But yeah. Okay. Well, I will see you in the next video. Bye!